Hi, welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons, and I'm a Yoli member. Yoli is a 14-year established nutritional supplement company based in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA, open for business in US, Canada, Philippines, and for products in Australia. I just want to quickly give you a little recap of some of these wonderful Yoli products. I got the Yoli Fun in today, and it is sports hydration without the caffeine, replenish the minerals in your body. And the Fun is all of the products in the far right there stacked up. I have the raspberry flavor, and I have these on my website, or you can um, purchase them from yoli.com/Parsons. And my name is spelled Parsons right there. So YOLI.com/Parsons. And you can see all the products that we have in the Yoli store there. These are products that I use every day. And we also have the Passion, which is a natural energy drink, and it doesn't make you jittery. It has a very small amount, around 100 micrograms of caffeine that's naturally sourced from green tea. So it does not prevent me from sleeping well. Um, I have the Passion in a variety package. I've got the watermelon mint. I've got many of the raspberry, um, and I've got the peach mango flavor. And so I can get you any Yoli product on my website also, that Yoli website. And I also want to talk to you real quickly about the Yoli Lean Greens Plus. Yoli conducted a study and discovered that people that are a little bit older that take the Yoli Lean Greens Plus, after 3 months, the product, the plant-based foods that are in that Yoli Lean Greens Plus includes some mushrooms that are known for helping cognitive function. And we all need, to have more, not only more energy as we get older, but keeping our cognitive function working to its best ability. So I also have the Yoli collagen there in the blue package. And then in the back there, those boxes are the Yes, which is the chocolate flavored meal replacement shake. This is the vegan. And so I'm not a total vegan anymore. I've made a little bit of a change in my eating habit, but I'm basically still all plant-based except for a couple of modifications that I've done to work on keeping as much muscle mass as I age. So this is a wonderful product for people that are busy and on the go. I think around $3. And I mean, you're getting a whole bunch of nutrition and you're staying satisfied and full for like 4 and 5 hours. I'm 5 hours definitely because I remember that I had this and I was not hungry until in the afternoon, and then I had a salad. So that's my update on. I have 2 boxes of the Yes vegan chocolate meal replacement shake, and so you can get me Pacific time zone weekdays at 360-383-0265. I look forward to helping you with sports hydration. When you do your workout, drinking water is great, but adding some of that fun little stick pack like this passion peach mango into your water makes your water that much healthier for your body to help your body recover and replace those minerals. So I gave you my phone number. I'm passionate about Yoli. Yoli is the BLP company on our badge that we got at the Level Up conference in Salt Lake City in no, it was October 2022. They keep mentioning over and over again Yoli BLP, belonging, love, and purpose. And Yoli is a company that you really enjoy belonging to, and they do love on their Yoli members and Yoli customers, and they have purpose. And so the purpose is to help people live healthier, vibrant lives. So that's Daniel, and that's all for this update from Yoli. God bless you. Bye for now.